Are you worried about your phone? Introducing the BAVIN CB374 and CB375. Easy install the gasket, more durable than other brands, features an adjustable lanyard, user-friendly design, wear it your way, in your style. Forgot your charging cables? It comes with a wrist strap lanyard. Just push, twist, and remove to reveal the cable. Supports 60 watts fast charging for laptops. Transfer data on the go with this versatile lanyard. Scratch-proof and highly durable, won't easily break. Extra strong, tear resistant, and reliable. What are you waiting for? Get yours now!